This day marks the culmination of a journey I never thought would happen the way it did. This moment right here is not just the end of a degree, it is the end of years of perseverance, resilience, and believing in the impossible. 1 year ago, I graduated as a doctor of medicine from Kharkiv National Medical University in Ukraine. But it wasn't a typical graduation. My fellow students and I were caught in the middle of a war that forced us to flee. We left everything behind, our homes, our routines, and even the dreams we built in those lecture halls and hospital wards. But even amidst the chaos, we never let go of our dream. I carried my dream with me across borders, across challenges, and through uncertainties. And today, here I stand, a graduate once again. This time, with a first-class Master of Surgery degree from the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. This is more than just a degree. It's proof that where you start does not determine where you end up. From the rubble of war in Ukraine to the halls of knowledge here, this is a testament to the power of resilience. If you're watching this, let this be a reminder. The storms of life may knock you down, but they will never define you. What defines you is the choice to rise again, to keep moving forward no matter how heavy the world gets. There will be times when the road ahead seems too hard, and it feels like there are too many barriers. But trust me, if you hold on to your vision and trust the process, you'll find yourself standing taller than you ever imagined. To my fellow graduates, no matter what path you took to get here, please remember, your story matters. Every late night, every challenge, every step, it's all part of the journey. You've earned your place here. And to anyone out there facing their own battles, I want you to know this: keep going. There's light at the end of the tunnel, and when you finally get there, the view will be breathtaking. So here's to the journey. Here's to the struggles. Here's to the triumphs. Here's to dreaming even when it seemed impossible. And finally, here's to all of us who dared to rise.